So, what are we going to do this morning? Well, let's have a look at some of the 2020 tools in part 2. We're going to talk about the Partners Monthly Meeting Agenda. We're going to talk about daily e-flash, staff performance standards, the client manager system, all hands staff meeting, an electronic staff holiday planner, a monthly billing letter and a fixed price agreement, and debt collection letters. We're really going to talk today a little bit about the practice management section. And you've got to set targets and you've got to monitor how you're going towards those targets. And that's what the Partners Monthly Meeting Agenda is designed to do. It's designed to give you a document that says these are the things we should be monitoring. So let's have a look at it. Now I'm just going to enlarge up the screen so that you can see it a little bit more clearly on your screens. But this agenda suggests the key points to be addressed in a monthly partners meeting. Now, whether you're a sole trader, sole practitioner, 2-partner firm, 3-partner firm, 50-partner firm is irrelevant. What you need to do is say, what do I need to know each month to measure how I'm doing towards my targets? Use this template in the results section that you're seeing on screen now to review the performance of your practice. So what we're going to do is look at fees earned, recovery rates, revised fees, WIP adjustment, interest receivable, disbursements, total income, staff costs, other expenses, and net profit. We're going to look at our debtors, our creditors, and our bank balance. These are the key performance indicators for an accounting practice. And we're going to look at them last month, this month, the cumulative year to date, and then we're going to departmentalise it or individualise it if you're a very small practice. Next thing to monitor is marketing. Every month you should look at how many leads did you generate. Now we provide all the marketing materials for you at 2020. All of the materials you need are provided at 2020. So you've got the marketing planner, you've got the press releases, you've got marketing letters, you've got newsletters, e-news and taxi newsletters. What you need to do is say, okay, for potential clients, which clients do I want to act for? Number 5 on this is to actually sit down and say, well, what is our strategic plan? Let's have a look at it again. Let me remind myself what I set myself to be. Where's my market position? What turnover am I going to be? How many employees am I going to have? What type of profit do I want? What type of clients do I want? Am I going to be high value, high price? Remember, that's in the strategic plan that you've written. Review it every single month. Keep it in your head. That's what I'm trying to achieve. That's the big picture. There's an electronic staff planner we've looked at. Now, if you want to move clients to monthly billing, there is a monthly billing letter. This is a great letter. It's written by Gordon Gilchrist, and it just links nicely into the direct debit. Now, all right, many of you listening here will say, oh, I couldn't possibly do this, oh, I shouldn't do that. Well, move them to quarterly billing if you can't get to this level. This is the upper quartile level. This is one of the differentiating factors between 100 grand a year profit for partner and 350 grand per year per partner. They've dealt with the work in progress, debtors and cash collection systems. We've talked about direct debits, credit cards, agreeing prices up front and asking the question, how do you want to pay us? If you've got those in, great, but you're still going to have 1 or 2 errors. So here's a nice debt collection system that works in a number of other firms, and it's a little bit more tight than the 30, 60, 90-day letters that you'd be sending and the threatening of the legal. The last thing we want is to go to the lawyers with a client. The most important thing we want to do is keep our existing clients happy and get our money in. So this is a nice compromise series of letters.